I'm back with this crazy language of ours again. This time we're going to talk about the two O's when they are together because they can make different sounds. They can say or they can say ooh. And believe it or not, they don't say oh. So, here we go. K, book. That would be really weird if you said book, wouldn't it? So it's the on this one. T, foot. D, wood. This is like a piece of wood outside on a tree trunk. K, cook. Let's say them without sounding them out. Book, foot, wood, cook. That sound with your mouth. You say ooh. Oon. Moon. Oot. Boot. Sp. Oon. Spoon. Ood. Food. Let's say them without sounding out. Moon. Boot. Spoon. Food. I don't have any clues for you. You're just going to have to try them out to know whether it's going to be the sound or the ooh sound.